Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, I got a good one for you. I got a 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS. This car is finished in beautiful red with a gray interior. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1991 Chevrolet Camaro. Like I said, this is an RS car. Absolutely gorgeous, finished in beautiful red. It has 45,000 original miles on this car right here. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a 305 automatic transmission. Just a really, really clean car and excellent condition. We'll take a look at the dash first. The dash is super clean, no cracks in the dash at all. Really, really looks good. All the console looks great. Power windows work great. All the seats look good. No rips or tears in the seats. It's really, really nice. Pretty much looks like it just come off the showroom floor. It does have the plastic still on the floor. That's pretty cool. So, shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, we do have the T-tops. This is a T-top car. Has the power trunk lid, which is pretty neat. It's got the T-tops there. They're in great shape. No scratches or dings or chips out of the T-tops. Lots of room inside the trunk. If you wanted to put some stuff and go for a trip, it would be perfect to do so. Fuel injected motor, which makes it easy. Let me show you how this trunk works. You put it down like this, and it closes by itself. Pretty cool. 1991. We're going to start it up here, see how it sounds. Car's in really, really nice shape. I love a T-top car. Take those T-tops out. It's really nostalgia, really, really cool. Like I said, it does have 45,000 original miles on it. Cut it off here. Really, really nice and clean. Shut the door here. Like I said, it does have the throttle body fuel injection system 305. It has factory air on it, power steering, power disc brakes, a lot of good options, power door locks, power windows. Just really, really nice and clean car. Really, really great shape. Absolutely beautiful. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS for a test drive and see how it does. I'll show you the dash here. All the instrument clusters working. Really looks good. Show them the blinkers working there, Dad. On the other side. Everything works great on this car. Beautiful car. It's got the T-tops. We're going to go for a ride and see how it does. We got a beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars, just like this one. We can drive it out the road and see how it does. Got a little bit of traffic coming here. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. Well, they piled up on us here, Dad.
I know it. That time of year, right?
All right, here we go.
Car just to get in and cruise.
Yeah.
Air conditioning, T-tops.
Very nostalgic car here.
This is my area right here.
gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. We're going to turn around and head back here. Like we say every time, we're going to get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Camaro's made of. Alright, well, we got a little bit of traffic coming.
Sometimes better be safe than sorry.
Alright, here we go. Drives great, shifts through all the gears the right way. Like I said, just an excellent running driving car. Air conditioner works great, heater works great, the radio does as well. Just a really, really nice car. We are almost back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale.